Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 3 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a refined mid-tower ATX case designed for high airflow and modern gaming builds. It builds on the success of the previous H7 Flow model by enhancing cooling potential and streamlining internal layout, making it ideal for both experienced PC builders and first-time users. One of its standout features is its excellent airflow design, with a fully perforated front panel and top ventilation that ensures optimal air circulation. The case comes pre-installed with 3 120mm fans, 2 front, 1 rear, which is ideal for out-of-the-box airflow, and now supports bottom-mounted fans, a key upgrade for users with high-performance graphics cards needing direct cooling. This makes it particularly suited for powerful GPUs like the RTX 4080 or 4090. The H7 Flow 2024 offers ample interior space for a variety of components, supporting ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards. It accommodates GPUs up to 400mm, and has generous radiator support up to 360mm on the front or top. This flexibility makes it suitable for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled setups. In terms of cable management, the case includes dedicated routing channels, Velcro straps, and ample clearance behind the motherboard tray, helping users achieve a clean, clutter-free build. The toolless design of the side panels adds to the ease of access and maintenance. Aesthetically, the H7 Flow 2024 retains NZXT's minimalist, modern look with clean lines and a sleek metal chassis. It's available in different color options, including black and white. Overall, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a well-ventilated, GPU-friendly mid-tower case with a focus on airflow, cable management, and easy building, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a cool, clean setup. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a unique mid-tower ATX case that stands out for its flat-pack modular design, allowing users to assemble the case themselves similar to IKEA-style furniture. This not only reduces packaging waste in shipping size but also gives users a fun, hands-on building experience right from the start. Designed for flexibility, the Qube 500 supports a wide range of components, including ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, and features room for dual 280mm radiators, one on the top and one on the bottom. It also includes a vertical GPU mount, allowing users to showcase their graphics card while maintaining efficient airflow. The case comes with one pre-installed 120mm SF black rear fan, offering basic out-of-the-box cooling, but it supports multiple fan configurations, giving users the freedom to tailor airflow to their build needs. Despite its compact footprint, the internal space is cleverly designed to accommodate large GPUs and advanced cooling solutions. Its fully modular structure lets users detach and rearrange panels, brackets, and mounts without tools, making it highly customizable and easy to work with during installation or upgrades. Cable management is supported through dedicated routing channels and space behind the motherboard tray, promoting a clean, professional-looking build. The Cooler Master Qube 500 is also aesthetically striking, with a geometric cube-like shape and a clean, modern look. It's available in multiple colorways, appealing to users who want their case to stand out visually as well as functionally. In summary, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a versatile, space-efficient, and DIY-friendly PC case. It offers strong component compatibility, modular convenience, and a fresh take on case design perfect for builders who enjoy customization, clean aesthetics, and creative assembly. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX IWCSA3 BLK1AM120S gaming chassis is a compact yet premium quality case designed for small form factor, SFF, builds without compromising airflow or aesthetics. It supports micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards and is ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to build a powerful system in a smaller footprint. Built with a sturdy steel frame and sleek brushed aluminum front panel, the A3 offers a minimalist and elegant look. It comes pre-installed with a powerful InWin Luna AL120 ARGB fan, which provides excellent airflow and customizable lighting effects via motherboard software. Despite its small size, the chassis offers impressive internal space optimization, supporting full-size GPUs up to 340mm, ATX PSUs up to 200mm, and CPU coolers up to 162mm in height. The A3 includes a mesh top panel for additional ventilation and can accommodate up to 6 fans or radiators up to 240mm on the top or side for enhanced cooling options. It supports up to two 2.5-inch SSDs and two 3.5 HDDs, offering decent storage flexibility for an SFF case. Convenient features include toolless drive bays, a removable dust filter, and a reversible side panel for easy access and maintenance. The I/O panel on the front includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.0 Type-A, and HD audio jacks, providing modern connectivity. Overall, the in-one A3 combines style, functionality, and compactness, making it a great option for gamers and builders who want a high-performance system in a small, attractive form. Its blend of premium materials, effective airflow, and modern design makes it stand out in the micro ATX case market.